Hey there, fellow music enthusiasts. Let's dive into the mind-boggling world of how music affects our brains. It's like a backstage pass to the neural concert happening inside our heads. But before you grab your headphones and get ready for an ear-opening experience, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you will be notified when there is new content. Like the video if you enjoyed the content and would like similar information. Remember, leaving your comment will help everyone learn, grow, and improve. So let's get started. Picture this. You're walking down the street, and a familiar tune starts playing. Suddenly, memories flood in, transporting you back to that epic road trip or your first heartbreak. That's the magic of music and memory. Our brains are wired to create strong emotional connections with music, activating the memory powerhouses called the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. It's like pressing the play button on a mental time machine. Now, let's talk about mood maestros. Ever noticed how your favorite jam can turn a gloomy day into a dance party? Well, science has your back on this one. When we listen to music, our brain releases a cocktail of happiness chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. These little troublemakers elevate our mood, reduce stress, and even kick depression to the curb. It's like having your own personal DJ for emotional well-being. But wait, it gets even groovier. Music and movement are a dynamic duo. Have you ever caught yourself dancing without realizing it? Blame it on music's rhythmic superpowers. Those catchy beats can't help but sync with our motor functions. Studies have shown that people with movement disorders like Parkinson's disease can find their groove with the help of rhythmic auditory stimulation. It's like turning up the volume on our brain's coordination skills. Okay, here's a mind-blowing fact. Music can harmonize with your heart. No, seriously. Listening to calming melodies or playing an instrument can actually lower your blood pressure and heart rate. It's the Mozart effect in action. Music's rhythmic patterns sync up with our heartbeat, creating a zen-like harmony. So the next time your heart needs a little tune-up, let music be your rhythmical therapist. Intriguingly, the effects of binaural beats intertwine with the brain's incredible ability to adapt and respond to external stimuli. Binaural beats are like a secret weapon for tweaking our brainwaves and altering our state of mind. Through the manipulation of sound frequencies, binaural beats offer a fascinating tool for nudging our brainwaves into specific states of relaxation, focus, and potentially altered consciousness. See our next video to learn more about binaural beats and how to harness their power. Now get this, music and language are like two peas in a pod. Our brain processes both in similar ways, activating areas responsible for comprehension and communication. It's as if music and language share a secret code, whispering sweet melodies and stories into our ears. This connection might even explain why music played such a crucial role in the evolution of language. Talk about a harmonious linguistic symphony. Let's take a moment to appreciate the power of music in finding inner peace. In our fast-paced, screen-addicted world, music can be a sanctuary of mindfulness. Whether you're strumming a guitar, belting out your favorite tunes, or simply chilling with some soothing melodies, music activates our brain's attention and relaxation centers. It's like pressing the pause button on life's chaos and finding solace in a harmonious melody. Music unlocks the gates of creativity. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a shower singer extraordinaire, music can unleash your inner Picasso. Engaging with music fires up our brain's creative centers, making us more innovative thinkers and problem solvers. So the next time you're feeling stuck in a creative rut, crank up the tunes and let the melody guide your imagination to new horizons. Now, here's a mind-bending concept. Music has the power to rewire our brains. It's like a sonic superhero that can reshape neural connections and boost our brain's flexibility. This phenomenon is known as neuroplasticity, and music is one of its greatest allies. So, whether you're learning to play an instrument or simply jamming out to your favorite tunes, you're actually giving your brain a workout, creating new pathways and expanding its creative horizons. But that's not all. Music is not just a solo act, it's a social bonding experience. Think about it. We attend concerts, dance at clubs, and sing together at karaoke nights. Music brings people together like a universal language, forging connections and creating a sense of belonging. The brain's reward centers light up when we engage in communal music experiences, releasing those delightful chemicals that make us feel connected and alive. And here's a fun twist. Music can be a memory cheat code. Have you ever struggled to memorize something? But then a catchy tune popped into your head, making it easier to remember. That's because music has a unique ability to enhance our memory and learning. It taps into our brain's love for patterns and repetition, helping us encode and recall information more efficiently. So the next time you're cramming for an exam or memorizing lines for a play, consider creating a musical masterpiece to unlock your brain's mnemonic potential. Now let's talk about stress relief. Life can be overwhelming at times, but music has the superpower to calm our frazzled nerves. Slow, soothing melodies have a magical effect on our brains, triggering a relaxation response. They reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and induce a state of tranquility. So when the world feels like a chaotic symphony, find refuge in the harmonious notes that can soothe your soul. But here's a twist. Music can also pump you up like a musical energy drink. Fast-paced, upbeat tunes have a way of boosting our energy levels and motivation. They ignite the brain's arousal systems, getting us into the zone and revving up our performance. So, whether you need an extra push during a workout or a burst of productivity at work, let the rhythm be your adrenaline-pumping ally. One more mind-blowing fact. Music is a language beyond words. It can convey emotions, tell stories, and express the depths of human experiences without uttering a single syllable. Think about instrumental music, where melodies, harmonies, and dynamics evoke feelings and transport us into different realms. It's like a language that speaks directly to our emotions, transcending linguistic barriers and resonating in the core of our being. So, my fellow music enthusiasts, let's keep celebrating the extraordinary ways music affects our brains. From rewiring our neural circuitry to fostering social bonds, boosting memory, relieving stress, and inspiring us to new heights, music is a symphony of wonders. Music is a powerhouse that unlocks the full potential of our minds. So turn up the volume, embrace the beat, and let the melodies and brain-tingling awesomeness shape the extraordinary journey of your mind. After all, the world would be a lot quieter and less vibrant without the harmonious magic of music.